Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you a platform. It's called utsav.gov.in. So in this platform, the government of India has consolidated various events across the India in this platform where you can see live darshan of various temples, whether that's puja or any other ceremony that is going on. You can see all those in a single portal. So this is the platform, utsav.gov.in. Okay, so now once it loads, you can see the location. You can search by name, you can search by keywords. So you see this is Triambakeshwara Devasam Trust. In this one, you can see live darshan from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then if you look at Sri Satya Sai Temple, it's in Sri Satya Sai Temple in Andhra Pradesh, Sri Sailam Temple in Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh. Here also you can see live darshan from 11:59 a.m. to 12:01 p.m. So this is Annavaram in Kakinad, Andhra Pradesh. So if you click on it, now you see it takes you to this website where you see the temple's trust. So if you click on watch now, you can see the live feed from the Triambakeshwara Devasam Trust, that is the temple. Now if you look at, you can see the 2nd April 9:40. So the temple door is closed right now, I guess. So if it is open, then you can see and get the darshan. Now if I go to some other temple, I can see all the other temples here. This is by Ministry of Tourism, Government of India again. So this is Tirupati Temple, 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Live darshan is available. So let's look at this once. So it will take me to this Tirupati website where you can see live darshan. So there are many other temples here. This is Dwaraga Tirumala Temple. It's again in West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. So using this platform, they have consolidated various events. So let's look at what are the other things. Let this page load. It's taking some time for it to load. Now I think it's redirecting me to that particular website. That's why it's taking some time. Now if you look at various other things which is available in this platform. So this is live darshan that is available. Then there are various festivals and events across India that is available in this platform also. So for some reason that Tirumala Temple's website is not loading, but that is how it is. So these are the events calendar. So various events and festivities happen across India, whether it is Biju festival, Pongtu festival. So you can see the event calendar here. In this event calendar, you can see all the events, cultural events that is going to happen in India. So this calendar, if you see, today is 2nd April. Now, Digital Museum Legislative Assembly. Then there is the Sri Krishna Rukma Viva Saktar Samoro. So then there is Biju festival. Then we have various other events that has been mentioned in here. Bohag Bihu, Madhupur Jet Fair, and so many other events across India has been listed in this platform. So you can go through all these things and you can also get live darshan. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.